Hi, this is Alex, and I'll just be talking through what our thriller short film will actually look like through Storyboard. On the screen now should be our first scene. It will show the killer, Elijah, on a computer showing his sort of plot and documentation of how he's going to follow through with the murder. This can be an OTS shot of just him typing on a keyboard. Probably not any movement really, and that will last for about 3 seconds. The next shot will be of him printing, just sort of planning out more stuff and just devising the whole murder scene. This will be just a close-up of him taking the paper out of the printer. This will last about 2 seconds. The next shot will be the killer looking through on the pinboard, sort of just setting out everything and where everything will be positioned and just sort of sorting everything out. Because there's a lot going on in this scene, this will last 5 seconds. The only movement we have on this is just a pan out, just to show the full extent of the room. This will be a mid-shot / over the shoulder shot again, just to show the extension of the room and what's going on. This is when we'll go into our title sequence. We'll have a flash of different texts and just developing an Elijah opening sequence, basically. And that will bring us on to the next scene. From our title sequence, we will show a close-up of the police station sign outside where we're filming in Croydon Police Station, thanks to Holly's dad. This will be sort of a close-up of just the sign that will last about 2 seconds. We will then cut into the interrogation room, which will show low lighting and it will be quite desaturated colour. This will just show the detective putting a piece of paper down on the table. That'll be about 3 seconds long, and that'll be a mid-shot. We will then cut to the victim / murderer, Elijah, in front of a desk, and we're thinking he's going to be quite suggestive and smiley and looking probably quite evil. This will last 3 seconds, and this will be a tilt upwards from where we put the paper on the table. This is when the shot reverse shot starts, and we will have the two characters split in between, just looking at each other. And this is where the story will actually start to unveil and we can see what's truly happened. Then it will show the low lighting. We will only show the face really in this next scene. This will really show that he is really a killer and there's not much else to him. But in the story will progress and show that he really isn't that bad. Throughout the story we're just going to progress and show very extreme close-ups of his eyes shifting, and this is when we'll go into a flashback and just show the actual murder itself, and this is where our story will slowly come to an end.